2020 Volvo 760, new body style, double bunk, I-shift, D13, 425 horsepower, 681 in the miles, price to move at $34,900. If you got good credit or bad credit, we can help you out. We have easy financing available. We've been in business over 20 years and have over 170 positive reviews on Google. We're a trusted name in trucking. Take a look at the truck and get pre-qualified now while it's still available at jackstruckcenter.com or come in person at 13164 New Kings Road in Jacksonville, Florida.